Good morning, my name is Umar, and I am here for my interview.
Hello Umar, nice to meet you. I am Mr. Ikmal. I hope you kept up your spirit even though we only meet via Zoom.
Of course, mister, I still feel excited for this interview.
Okay, can we start the interview?
Yes, sure.
So, can you tell me why you are interested in this position?
I feel attracted to this position because the specification in accordance with I have in this position when after graduating for college.
Okay, Umar, what are your strengths and why should I hired you to work in this company?
I am probably the best at design 2D and 3D, and I am also very good at operating other design applications such as SketchUp, AutoCAD, Adobe Illustrator.
That's good, Umar. Then tell me your weakness, Umar.
I tend to get distracted easily and bored when working, but I am trying to overcome it.
Okay, we'll let you know about the result later, Umar. Thank you for your time and nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Ikmal. Thank you.